Yo, for some wings. Hey guys, welcome back. I tell you what, this weather, man, has been crazy. So we're indoors again, guys. We've had rain, just flooding in surrounding areas all around us. Super windy. Man, I tell you what, it's gonna blow us away. So I just, rather than mess with all that, we're gonna do another cook. I'm grilling some wings again tonight, and I'm just gonna bring back some of this Honey Chipotle. I've got some left over from those ribs, and I'm gonna throw it on some wings, and we're gonna grill them up indoor. I'm also gonna test the cleaning on this grill to see if it can get this caked on barbecue sauce I know we're gonna have at the end. So we're gonna try that. And on a recommendation, I'm gonna add just a little bourbon to this and heat it up and add that to the glaze and just see what it tastes like. Let's check it out, guys. All right, guys, again, it's that Honey Chipotle. I don't know how much is in here, but we're gonna get all of it we can in this saucepan. All right, I'll set this off over here. Might be able to get a little bit more out of that. Got some of that Jim Beam black left over. I don't know. I might do an ounce. I don't want to thin it out too much. An ounce, ounce and a half there, if that was even an ounce. I'll taste it here in a bit. All that alcohol will cook out. I'm just gonna set this on the oven behind me. Let it heat up and simmer a little bit. I might add a little bit more Jim Beam to that. But it'll be ready by the time the chicken is grilled. Just the seasoning. I have not used my Lawry's in quite some time, so I'm just gonna do a light coat of Lawry's on all of these. You know me, I like to keep it fairly simple. But I love that flavoring in Lawry's seasoning salt. Flip. We'll just coat the other side. As always, carefully add water to the pan. I'll add a little bit more up to the upper line on this because this chicken's going to take a little bit to cook. Get this up here on about a medium high. We'll just heat up for about 5-10 minutes and we'll get some wings on. Alright guys, I got this back down in the lower 300s where I'm a little bit more comfortable. I don't know how many we can fit on here, but we're certainly going to try. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I don't think I could have got any more. I've never done wings on this thing, but I do believe I probably need to keep turning. I'm liking the look. I wish I was outside, but we'll take what we can do. I am liking this little grill. I'm glad I didn't have one more piece of chicken because it would not fit. Looking good though, guys. Go over here and move some of these. This does not heat super evenly. I'm gonna move some of the outer ones in, and the ones out. That Lawry's, guys, that is smelling amazing. All right, guys, we are there. I've been moving. Yeah, these are ready to be glazed. There we go. You know, I tell you what, I've used this grill, I don't know, 10, 12 times. A few of them's been on camera. I'm really liking it. This is the first time I've actually put sticky barbecue sauce on it, so stick to the end, guys. I'm going to do a little wash job on this, see how well it cleans up. since I've been using it a while. We'll continue on with that original review I did. Alright guys, glaze this other side here. I wish we had some smoke on this. Weather's getting better, guys. Spring's almost here. I'm gonna have just enough barbecue sauce. Alright guys, it is time. Let me pull these off of here, guys. I will feed my family and I'll get back to you and do a little taste test of our own. Hope you can see that. That is some goodness right there. I know what the Honey Chipotle tastes like. My stepson Chris recommended I add some bourbon to that, and I tell you what, you can taste it in there. I think you can take it with or without. The bourbon stands out. Obviously the Honey Chipotle, let me get another bite. I always do too, you know that. Oh yeah, guys. I wish I was outside. The weather's starting to get better a little bit. Get some of this flooding out of the area. And maybe we can get out there and get some cooking on the grills. I'm ready, I'm anxious to get back out there full time through the summer months. So guys, thank you so much. Hey guys, just be sure to stick to the end. I got this grate down here. It's nice and sticky and nasty. I'm gonna clean it up. I've used this grill about 10, 12 times, I don't know, several times off camera. I just want to see how it's cleaning up. So far, I'm still stick free. Everything cleans up good, but I'm gonna try with this old nasty barbecue sauce. And stick to the end, I'll show you that. Folks, this water pan, I tell you what, it's been so easy to clean up, especially as long as you keep the water in it. I've been so impressed with how many questions and comments I've gotten on this little indoor grill. I've had one subscriber talk about how he lost some paint down here in the pan. I'm not sure exactly where. And after talking to him, I don't believe this was the case with him, but he lost some paint in here. And one of the things I seen on the website and the comments was sometimes there's no water in the pan when you're cooking with it. Sometimes it causes the paint to peel. But I don't think that was the case with him. I'm not sure what was up, but I have noticed some discoloration in the center here where it gets the most heat in the center. But so far I haven't had any peeling at all. Cleanup has been a breeze. Really, I don't use the harsh side of that brush, but it comes right off. Let me rinse this up and we'll get the main pan. Give it a good rinse. Tell you what, so far it's coming right off. Now I've never let this get set and get real hard, so I'll wash it pretty soon afterwards, but again, I'm not using that harsh side, I'm just strictly on the soft side of the sponge. Coming right off, guys. One thing on the back side of this, I've noticed I do have to come in with like a big long bottle brush or something and really scrub down in there. It doesn't take much to get it off, but you do get some buildup in there, so you do need to kind of come in, and that's really about all it takes. Alright guys, just to finish up here, I wanted to touch on this last end of the cleaning of this thing because I've had it a while. I've used it a lot of times, and this is the Chefman Indoor Smokeless Grill. It's not smokeless, it's smokeless. That's what the water is about. The grease and liquids drop down into the water, it cools off, and you might get a little steam, but there's not a lot of smoke at all. And I'm really liking it. I bought it for here in the winter months, these rainy days and all that, and I'm really enjoying it. But I've gotten a lot of questions on it and a lot of comments, and I've really been impressed with how many people has talked to me about this thing, and some people want it. Guys, I will put a link to this down below. It's been a great little grill. As the weather gets better, I won't be using it as much indoors unless it's rainy or whatever, but my main deal is cooking outdoors. But We're going to use this as much as we can. And I've had great success with it. It's a great little grill, and I just wanted to share that with you because I got a lot of questions. So, folks, thanks so much. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you on the next video, folks. God love you, folks. Bye-bye.